Okay everyone, I just got out of the shower, so my hair is still wet. I use the curl stretcher. This one you're supposed to leave on for 3 to 5 minutes. I left it on for 3 minutes. So next I'm going to use the coconut curling cream, which is this guy. I'm going to use that all over our hair. And then it also came with the edge control and the Style Stay frizz-free refresh finisher. So we'll try those out too. I'm still debating about the edge cream. I normally don't use, oh, that smells nice. I normally don't use edge gel, but I'm not, maybe try it out, maybe not, I don't know. It did come with a brush, a edge control brush, and a pick, so I would like to try those out today too. All right, let's get started. Smells nice. And like I mentioned in my unboxing video, I did try a Cantu product years ago and it left my hair really flaky, so I'm hoping this doesn't. It could be because of the combination of other products I used in my hair, but I'm only using the Cantu products. So far I have nothing in my hair besides that curl stretcher, but you are to rinse it out with cool water afterwards. So it doesn't really, the product's not supposed to really stay on your hair, but we'll see. And I'm just dipping my fingers in the product just like, boop, and then just using whatever is on my fingers. Okay, so I put that all over my hair. I don't know if the curl stretcher is working or not. We'll find out when my hair dries. I mean, see, this is the reason why I don't really need edge control, because my baby hairs tend to stay down for the most part. But I do like to use edge control, especially like after a couple of days, my hair starts frizzing out and then I have to get it under control. So I won't use the edge control today because I really don't need it, even though I really wanted to try this brush. And it actually, I kind of just like rubbed it against my skin and it actually feels really nice. So. Okay, next we have the Style Stay frizz-free finisher. It is a weightless hold for curly or straight styles. And it just says mist from 6 inches away onto finished style for hold control. Okay, so it says for finished style, so it would mean technically I would have to wait till it dries, right? Maybe? I'm gonna use it now because I know when I used to use hairspray or stylers, I would put it on and then diffuse my hair. Let me know if you guys used it right after you put product in your hair while it's still damp, or you guys waited till the end of the day when it's dry and then put it on. But I am gonna put it on now. It says it's non-sticky, crunch-free, no white flakes, and it's humidity resistant. So if it's not gonna get crunchy on me or sticky, then I think it'll be okay to put it on when it's damped to kind of keep control. I don't know. We'll find out. All right. I haven't used spray in a very long time. I used to put it on every time, like back in the days, I would use mousse, gel, and hairspray just to keep everything under control back in the days. And then now I had no need for hairsprays, except the only hairspray I really like is the Sebastian one, and it's like a flexible hold. I really like that one. So, all right. Make sure you open a window. Okay. Okay, that's a strong spray. Giving you guys heads up. All right. Okay. I normally wait an hour and then I diffuse my hair, so I'll be back to check on you guys in an hour. Don't use too much spray. I'll be back. Okay, so it's been well over an hour. I was doing my makeup. I was actually trying out the palette that I got from Boxycharm, and this is Pure. So I tried out some of their colors and everything. So if you haven't seen my Boxycharm unboxing, I'll link that. So I noticed that my curls aren't getting as curly, but we'll see with the diffuser if it curls up. So we'll try that out. Okay, I diffused it for only a few minutes. My biggest concern was if it was gonna get flaky on me, because I know once I used Cantu products, or a product, it was just one, years ago, and it left a lot of like white residue and I didn't really like it. I don't see any this time around, so it could have been the combination of products I used the last time. So on this side, the curls are getting their shape. Up here, it's kind of getting a little too frizzy for me. But I am going to diffuse it a little bit more and then just let it air dry and see how that turns out. We are going to the pumpkin patch and things like that, so I'll check in later on. But I mean, my hair, it feels longer with that product, but then again, it's not dry, so I can't say like, oh yeah, it, you know, stretches out your curls, so I'm not gonna say that yet. I really don't like the products in my hair, but we'll see when it's fully dry, because sometimes it looks a little lazy like this and then it comes out really well. So we'll see. But because of the frizziness, I might have to add some little bit of oil later on, but I won't do that till later. So yeah, I'll check in with you guys a little bit later. Okay, thought I'd check in. The outcome's looking a bit better. So we just got to the pumpkin patch, so I'll check in later on today. Okay, we just got back from the pumpkin patch. My hair is completely dry. The only thing is, this side's a little bit frizzier than more than I anticipated, but whatever. My hair did curl up fairly nice. If anything, I probably would use some hair oil like on the drier area, but for the most part, I mean, it's fine. The biggest thing was, my biggest concern was if it would give me like the dry flakiness. I don't see any. So the products I used was perfectly fine without getting any of like the white flakiness. It must have been the other products I used before in combination with the Cantu. So I probably would want to use like a gel in the mix of this, because like it did leave like a lot of frizz. And then I wanted to try this pick out. So see if it gives me a lot bigger hair. Feels nice. I need to like cut these bangs. This is right here that's making me mad with my front curls. All right. Okay, not bad. I like the pick a lot. I didn't use the other brush, of course, because I didn't do like my edges. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Bye.